Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and today we have a very special guest here talking to us about the Insta256.
Hey everyone, I'm Greg with Insta, and this is the award-winning Insta256, and I'm going to talk about some of the features right now. This is a 16 by 20 inch swing away. The upper platen swings completely away from the lower platen, so you can dress your shirts, whatever you're pressing on. That's a great feature. This has a digital controller where you can set your time and temperature up here on the top, and it has a manual pressure crank on the top as well. We also have a physical on and off switch here, as well as the digital on and off on the controller. This press is ideal for white toner, DTF, traditional screen printed transfers, vinyl, really anything you can think of. The thing Insta is most known for is getting completely even heat and pressure across the platen. With Insta, quality isn't the only name of the game. Safety is also the name of the game. All of our presses are ETL, UL, and CE certified. All of our presses also meet OSHA standards, so these can be used in an OSHA approved shop. For more information on Insta heat presses, you can visit instagraph.com for videos and blogs, and you can purchase this press from heatpressnation.com.